I will never underestimate the power of a dog's love after learning this. Hey there, dog lovers. Our furry friends are more than just adorable companions. Studies show that spending time with dogs can boost your serotonin levels, reducing anxiety and depression. Imagine coming home after a tough day, and your tail-wagging buddy is there, ready to shower you with unconditional love. Dogs also encourage physical activity, which is great for your mental health. Those daily walks, they're not just for your pup, they're a mood booster for you too. And let's not forget the magic of a simple cuddle session. It's like having your very own fluffy therapist. So next time you're feeling down, remember, your dog is there to lift you up. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more pet-tastic content. Thanks for watching.